Hello everybody. Today's I am going to talk about the use of the lookup function. Just the basics because I'm no expert. So what actually is the lookup, right? The lookup function we can pull the information from the table out without have to go clicking and stuff. Just let me show you one. So the database that I use for this example, this illustration is the car rental from the class. What I am going to do is I'm going to pull the country of the first customer the first customer ID. So the first customer ID is here, and the country is Japan, right? I'm just gonna use the DlookUp to put the word Japan up there, just to show you that it works. Customers and plus ID equal to plus 001. Then let's see. So yeah, it works. Country Japan, and just like that. That's all about DLOOKUP actually. The hard part is the info that you put it in here, which will be explained. And yeah, you pull the piece of information out by using DLOOKUP by specifying like which one are you going for, which one what is the thing that you have to look for. Yep. So I'm gonna explain this first. There will be three bits of information that you have to put in order for them to look for the right thing, to look for the right thing. So the first one is what they call the expression is the name of the field. So what we are looking for is the country, right? So the name of the field has to be exactly like the same. So the name of the field is country. Don't misspelling it because it's not gonna work. And the second one is the domain. The domain will be the the name of the table that we are gonna use. So the name of the table in this case is customer. And then the last one is the criteria, which will be the hardest one because it is the most specific thing that you can focus them to look on. In this case, I am like what we just did is to find the country of the customer with customer ID of 001, right? So customer ID, it has to be exact. The name of the view has to be the same, equal to, if the value is a string, you have to put the apostrophe, both of them in the first and the end of the string. So cost 001, it is a string because there is a it is a short text, so it is a string. You put apostrophe here, no, yeah, apostrophe at the end and the quotation mark at the end, and then yeah, that's the DLOOKUP. So if you go, you get Japan. The more fun part is you can use it with the combo box as well. So I know I'm gonna teach you about the way to use it first. So there are about 3 ways for you to put this function in. The first way is to just manually type it in like this, like we just did. And then the next one is you can click on here to get the yellow thingy around the text box first, and then you go for the property sheet up here. Then you go for the data and then look for the control source here, go for the right, and then you click on the 3 points. You will find the expression builder appeared up. Go for the function, built-in functions, and then the expression categories will be the domain aggregate. and then you double click the DLOOKUP. Yeah, double click DLOOKUP here, and yeah, just like I said, there will be 3 bits of information that you need to, put it in. So just put it in like the same. I just gonna paste the old one. Okay, here you get the same thing. You appear here as well. Japan, just like that. Another way is to put in a code, like an SQL code, which will be explained when we use the combo box. So I will create a combo box, and then we're gonna search it by first name, because that sounds harder than just normal number, So what you have to look for is look for the name of this box. So combo 4, right? Remember the combo 4. I am gonna do the event, then on click event. No, after update event, event procedure, and then click. Yeah, that's another way, is to click on the event, and then after update event procedure, then 3 points, there appears the old code that I have written. So it will appear like this. You press tab 1 time, it will jump here, and then you put the name of this box, which is text 0, right? We can change it to country, just to be easy, So the name of the box has to be exact like this, and then DLOOKUP, the same thing. What we're looking for is the same one, country, right? Customers table. And then this part would be very, very confusing. It took me almost like 4 hours to figure it out. It's the string concatenation. I can't really explain it either. Just just get. Yeah, I got just like the glimpse of it. So you are going to search for the first name. That's the criteria. The first name equal apostrophe 1 time, quotation mark another. Is it? Yep, that's right. 1 space bar, and then and sign 1 space bar, and then the name of this box, which is combo 4, then comma space bar 1 time, and sign space bar another, then a quotation mark, apostrophe, and then quotation mark again, and then close bracket. I hope we get this right, because many times I don't really get it right. This form will be for illustration. Yep, and then save, right? Close it. Go for formula. Nope, it doesn't work. Something is not right. DLOOKUP country, customers, looking for the first name, right? Combo 4. Oh, okay. Seems to be it has to be the class ID, right? Sub debugger. We'll stop it. We'll stop it. So yeah, let's go back to here. Event. No, it's this one. Class ID. Let's try it again. Yep. Now this time it works. Tara is from Thailand. Smith is from US. Paul is from Netherlands. Awesome. This time it works. So what the thing that I missed is when this box return the value, you can go and check here. It returns 2 values, which is the customer ID and first name. And somehow when this box receive, you can go here and then event. This when they're looking for they use the customer ID from the combo 4 that the input from here, to search for it. So yeah, use the customer ID instead of the first name, because it is in the query that I showed you before. So we use the customer ID instead of first name there, and that works. And we can do a lot about it. There's one thing that I have done it before is this one also. So you can go for the customer ID and country. Actually, I can show you more about how they can link a lot together. So I'll create more text box for the illustration. For example, like this one can be mobile phone, right? And this one can be email. And then I can change the name of this text box to mobile phone, and then this one to email. Okay, you got it. So what we have to do is we have to go back to this combo box and then go back to the event after update. What we have to do is, I think you guys can guess it. Copy this one and paste after, change the name of the text box to mobile phone, right? And then change what we're looking for here. Looking for mobile phone. It has to be the exact same with this one also, the mobile phone. You can see here. It has to be the exact same like field name. So we are looking for the mobile phone, right? In customer table, yes, by the customer ID from combo 4, exactly. The next one is email. We're looking for email. So what do we have to change is the field that we're looking for. Hope this work. Yes, yes. What? Yes, yes. Okay. So we go to the form view, and here it works. So let me, see if it actually works. Okay. Then we are looking for example, we want to know Paul. So Paul, yes, Paul is from Netherlands. His mobile phone is 55 something something, and then his email is this. This can be very useful in form, where you don't have to search for it, just choose thing, and it doesn't have to be first name. It can be everything. Like you want to change it to I don't know, a lot of things. You want to search it by ID card, address to like something more unique to change for it. And I think that's it about the DlookUp. There's nothing much, but the hardest thing I would say is the event, the criteria here. This will be this can be very confusing at times, but yeah, this is it. Thank you.